Best Hatchbacks Car for 2025 to 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage has been recognized as the best hatchback car for 2025, offering an exceptional blend of affordability, efficiency, and practicality. As a standout option in the subcompact segment, the Mirage continues to impress with its budget-friendly pricing and impressive fuel economy. Efficient performance and economy. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage is powered by a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine that produces 78 horsepower and 74 lb-ft of torque. While modest in power, this engine is optimized for fuel efficiency, delivering an impressive EPA estimated 36 miles per gallon combined. The Mirage's lightweight design and efficient powertrain make it an excellent choice for drivers seeking a cost-effective vehicle with minimal fuel expenses. Compact design with practical features. The Mirage's compact size makes it highly maneuverable, perfect for urban environments and tight parking spaces. Despite its small footprint, the 2024 Mirage offers a surprisingly spacious interior with ample headroom and legroom for front passengers. The rear seat area provides enough space for occasional passengers, and the 17.1 cubic feet of cargo space expands to 47 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, adding to the vehicle's practicality. User-friendly technology and safety. The 2024 Mirage comes equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring easy smartphone integration. Standard features also include Bluetooth connectivity and a rear-view camera. On the safety front, the Mirage offers a suite of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning, providing additional peace of mind. Affordability and value. One of the Mirage's strongest attributes is its affordability. With a starting price significantly lower than many competitors in the subcompact segment, it offers exceptional value for budget-conscious buyers. Its low cost of ownership, combined with strong fuel efficiency, makes the Mirage a practical choice for those looking to maximize their investment. Conclusion. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage stands out as the best hatchback car for 2025, thanks to its outstanding fuel economy, compact practicality, and affordable pricing. It remains a top pick for drivers seeking a reliable and economical vehicle that excels in everyday use.